I have been using the RAVPower 90 watts dual USB-C or PD port charger for a while, and some viewers asked me to do a test. And there you go. Okay, it is rated at 90 watts using my trusted trusted kilowatt. All right. The point of this test is to max out its capacity. Therefore, I got my RAVPower. I'm sorry, All Powers power bank that can be recharged using its own USB-C port. It can also do output. So let's take a look. I'm gonna connect these two. It takes 60 watts max, if I remember correctly. Oh, 64. Look at these ratings here. It says 64, 68.6, which means their conversion loss, again, maybe only 4 watts difference. So here is the point of truth. Okay. If I'm gonna connect another USB charging device, that is the Lenovo ThinkPad, which has a USB-C port here. But let me actually disconnect this one first, so we know what is the maximum power draw from my laptop. It's about 50% charged. And let's use this skinnier cable. Disconnected that one. We know it's 64 watts. So the both combined exceeds 100 watts. Now we know 40, 43. Okay, it is dropping. Interesting. And now let's connect this guy. And it will not charge, maybe. It's blinking. May take a while. 66. Oh, okay. It's going. 50. Maxed out at 88. Haha. Yeah. It's really close to the factory rating. 90 watts. 50. Which means here it's getting 36. This is a more power-hungry device, of course. 50, stable, pretty stable. And now let's try disconnect both. And I'll connect this one first. Let's see if the wattage drops. So maybe it is determined by the charger which one gets more power. I don't know. Okay, it's at 64. Here it says 62. Let me reconnect. $64 again. 61. Okay, let's do this. Okay, connected to the laptop. Look, it's back to be 50. Interesting. So one port is limited at 50 if you connect both. Now it's almost 90 watts. So the rating is true. And I just found it extremely interesting how it would, distribute the power between the two devices. It's not like 50-50. Percent. It's really at a very specific wattage, 50. Interesting. All right, but this is a really capable charger. I like it a lot. Dual port, so when I'm traveling, this is the one to go. Really powerful. and it may get warm. All right, let me disconnect this one. See if the power goes up. Yes, it does go up. 64, 68. One more time. As soon as I reconnect, this one looks like it dropped to very low, then redistributing the power again. I believe the logic is inside here and not by these two devices. It is totally controlled by this charger. That's my opinion. Okay, that's the end.